How to easily convert handwritten note into digital text using ChatGPT. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up your mobile device and search for ChatGPT in Play Store or App Store depending on your Android or iOS. Then download the ChatGPT on your mobile device because it would be quite better on mobile device as you would be able to take the images in a better version or clear manner. After taking the images of the handwritten note on your mobile device, just simply upload them to ChatGPT. After that, just don't upload them directly but upload them one by one with the command as transcribe these handwritten notes into text. And this way ChatGPT will transcribe all these notes into text for you. Just simply copy the text and paste it in one single document in order to get it in that particular document. And this is how you would work around this. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.